Hi guys, I will show you on this video how to install and use IPTV Smarters Pro on a Samsung Smart TV. So first you will need to click on the home button, which is on the middle of the remote control. So you click on it, then you go to apps, and here you go up to app search. You click on app search, and here you type IPTV Smarters. So I will type IPTV, then add a space and add Smarters. And here I have two apps. The first one is IPTV Smarters Player, and the second one is IPTV Smarters Pro. So I will select the second one, I will click on it, then click on install, wait for it to get installed, and once it gets installed, you will need to click on open. So now I click on open, and the app is currently loading. Then you will need to scroll down, just scroll down to the bottom, then click on accept, and here you will need login details to get access to the app. So you can buy the login details from the website that you can find on the first comment. You can also find the link of the website on the description of this video.